Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. Today what we're going to do is we're going to mix an avocado, nice and ripe, and delicious vegan chocolate chips into a candy. We're getting ready for Valentine's Day. We want to make it a really interesting impression for my sweetheart. We're also going to use this silicone mold that I got from Michael's. Come and see how it turns out. I think you'll find it to be interesting, quick, easy chocolate for your family.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Alright, so we're making avocado chocolate. I know it sounds a little strange, but not really when you really think about it. So you're going to use 2 cups of your chips that I purchased at Sprouts, and they were on sale for $3 a pound. You're going to need a full cup of mashed avocado, ripe. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and I like to use McCormick. You're going to need a microsafe bowl to be able to melt the chocolate, and spatulas. I just picked this up at Michael's. It costs $5, $4.99, and these are called Valentine's Day. They're like little envelopes, you know, where you get the mail in. So we're going to use those. We're going to pour the chocolate in there, and it's going to give a nice looking decorative front that is cute. All right, we're going to get started now. You're going to melt your chocolate. You could melt it in here, but I like to have the extra room to be able to work, so I'm going to melt it in here. Once the chocolate is melted, that's when you add your avocado. If you cook the avocado in with the chocolate, it could burn. You don't want to do that. You want to first take care of the chocolate, get that all melted, mash this down a lot more. Some people put these in a food processor. I am just going to mix it together with a whisk. It takes time to be able to use the microwave doing this. So I recommend that you just do it in sections of 20 seconds is what I do. And then you just keep checking over and over and over again. When it's liquid, meanwhile, you're not going to have time to take care of the avocado, but you can mash it down in between if you have time, and then you can combine the two. Then you have to have a good mixture of the avocado and the chips. All right, let's get started. I don't add a 20-second clock, so I'm doing 30 seconds, and I'm stopping it every 20 seconds. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera a little closer. You won't be seeing me, but you'll be seeing the bowls and what I do with the avocado. As the chips still need to go in. There's still a lot of chips that need to be melted down, but you're getting the point now. See how liquidy it is? Now you add your avocado. Your fat. Kids love it when I cook, especially if I drop anything on the floor. use a whisk. Then take your spatula and put it in the mold like I'm doing. Now, it's going to have little pieces of avocado in it. That's not a problem. But if that bothers you, just put it in your food processor. Make sure it's or a blender to make sure it's thoroughly blended. I'll put extra so I can show you what to do with the extra. Something like this. Or a spatula. And you see you have some extra that's not going in. Just go through and flatten it all out. Makes a much better presentation if it's flat. And then put this in the fridge for 60 minutes. This one's all done. Alright, so we'll see you in about an hour. Anything else here that you see here, you can eat. No eggs, no dairy, perfectly safe to eat. And that's the real advantage of having vegan chocolates. So what did I forget? I forgot to put in, where is it? The vanilla extract. But I tasted the chocolate and it tasted just fine. This just adds another depth flavor. Okay, you make mistakes all the time. Can't worry about it. Alright, so right now the chocolates are in the refrigerator, in standard refrigerator. If you really wanted them really fast, say you came home from work and you only had an hour, you could stick them in the freezer for 30 minutes and it would be perfect. Because there's so much chocolate to this recipe, it will harden much faster than a normal traditional chocolate recipe. Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in a few minutes. I'll show you the details, the end of it. And voila, you have another chocolate that you can make for your Valentine's Day sweetheart. Or chocolates that you can make throughout the year. It's time to see if our candy's ready. So we're going to pull it out. These are the little envelopes. Okay, so this time we waited a full hour. Let's see how they come out. You can see the definitions of the envelope, but it's not as distinct as I would have expected to be. But that could be because the avocado chunks weren't totally melded in. And also because of the fat content of the avocado, the chocolate itself is a little bit more softer. So I think that if you were using this recipe, you should have more chocolate. Instead of having 2 cups, maybe 2 1/4 or even 2 1/2. Now, the detail should have come something similar to like this. What we got instead are this, and you can see that it's quite soft. Here's a piece of avocado. You can see there, but the detail is there. So this is another Valentine recipe that works. And instead of adding, like I did in the fudge, peanut butter or almond butter, I added avocados and it tastes delicious. You can't even taste the avocado in there. It's just so smooth, but it is softer. It's a win. Okay. And now I got to clean up the kitchen, and that's it for me. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. My hands are full of chocolate. We sure appreciate your time here, and we'll be showing you more different chocolate recipes soon. Bye-bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.